Hello everyone, welcome to MoGraph Workflow. In this video, we are going to learn about how to remove green screen professionally in Adobe After Effects. Let's open Adobe After Effects. I have my software open. Let's import a footage which has a green screen definitely. I'm going to import a footage having a green screen. This is the footage list. Open footage. So suppose this is the footage we have, and we're going to drag and drop in here. After that, we are going to create a new composition. So you can just drag and drop to create a new composition from the footage. It will have the same frame rate. After that, we can see that we have our footage here in the timeline. First of all, what you have to do, we have to create a garbage mat. So you have to create a mask. So we have to create a mask. So you can see that I have created a garbage mat here, and I'm going to adjust it so that it fits the subject. And we'll adjust it more. And so first, what you have to do is, after creating the mat, you can just drag and play that. If any parts is going further from the mat, then you can adjust it more. And in my case, I think I don't have any. I think that we are good to go here. Just you can also organize the footages here. So let's name it footage, and let's put the footage here, and you can outside pre-comp. And also we are going to name it main comp. So now what we are going to do, we are going to place a key light effect here, key light. After that, what you're going to do is change the view to final result, from final result to intermediate result. And after that, you have to select the screen color. So from there, I can get the screen color. Like the main steps you have to follow, or the thing to keep in mind while selecting the screen color, is that you don't have to go for brightest color and you don't have to go for the darkest color. You have to go to the tones, and after that change this view. You're going to change the view to alpha so that we can have a clear view of what's going on. After changing the view, you can see that there are some spots which are not completely white, and there are some spots which are not completely black. So our next step is to make the whites, make the transparent whites big, and same with the blacks. What you have to do is you are going to here screen matte. After that, you can go to clip the black here. You can do there and clip white. You can go to the settings so that it makes the white completely, and maybe go for 80 for this. And if you see here RGB, okay, now we have this. Let's have a background, so you can name it. Okay, sorry. So you can have a solid color. Let's name it BG here from there. BG, and you can select any color for this and move it to bottom. And yeah, you can see that it has done the job, but we can improve a bit more. Yeah. So let's go for our effect here. Let's go for an effect here, and let's increase the blacks more, maybe 20 or maybe 30 even more. Yeah, and for the whites, I think it's good to go. Okay, now what we are going to do is, I think it's good. Now we are going to add a key cleaner effect to to solve the, or to fix the noising that happens to the edge. You can check reduce chatter, and if you have some chatter, you can see the chattering here in these parts. Like if you drag, okay, it's a little bit heavy. So now if you drag, there is some kind of chatter, and you can do that as well. You can also do maybe 20 if you want. So you can see the edge is it is also feathering the edges here. Okay, now I think that's good. You can go for that. Maybe 10 is good. Yeah. Now after that we can use another effect to remove the greens from the green color from the edges. So what you can do is enhance spell suppressor. This effect, you can apply that, and you can see that I think you don't have to change the settings from here. I think the default ones do the best job. And after that, you can see we have our green screen removed, and you can place on any background which you like. Okay, let's check for, I think it has done a good job in moving the background. Like, okay, now so you can also import a background to check, like say this, let's try this background. Right, let's do for 3 seconds again. Now you can see the background is removed and the quality of the video is really good. So now you can after watching this tutorial, you can remove background of any green screen you get.